important thing for us here is to look at our goal. Our goal is to build leads, and the tool we are using is Facebook. So our campaign will be leads. And if we look at the definition of leads that we are talking about, leads can be everything. Lead can be sign up, lead can be sign ups, lead can be form that people fill from, lead can be call, lead can be WhatsApp. Okay, so leads can be quite number of things. So in our effort here now, we just need to go to the business.facebook.com, like we said, which is the business end. We just need to visit the campaign, the ad accounts. So our ad accounts are available within the business.facebook.com. So meanwhile, we said that facebook.com is where the social media channels are, but the business.facebook.com takes you to another level entirely. And this is where we have our meta suits. We have our meta suite, we have our ads manager, we have a lot of functionality, we have our business manager here. So I recommended that we should always, if we are taken to this meta suite, that is a business suite, I recommended that we just come to all tools and we just need to click on ads manager. Now our ads manager is the tool. Like I told you, our ad account is an account, and our ad account is being managed by ads manager, and our ads manager is being managed by our business manager. Okay, so for you to have access to your ads account, you have to go to your ads manager, and when you click on your ads manager, you will see an ad account linked to this ad manager. You can select several other ad accounts if you have created them, or you've been linked up with another account. So all those ad accounts will be within a business manager. So what we are saying, in other words, is that we have an ad account here, and this ad account, this ads manager here that we have here, has an ad account, and we can always use several other ad accounts also if we have created. But if you have not created, the only ones we have is the one we'll be using. But in this case now, we have a campaign, and we can create a campaign. Like I told you, the campaign has 3 levels. We have the campaigns, we have the ad sets, we have the ads. So like if you will recall that we said the campaign is where we select the objective, the ad sets, we'll look at the audience, we'll look at our budget, the ads, we'll look at the content, image text, anything we really want to do, and some integrations we can also do within the ads. So now our objective is to generate leads, and the first mode or the first method of lead generation that we want to look at today is the leads that we generate on our Facebook page. That is the first lead. Now the first lead that we want to look at today is the leads generated via Facebook page. Now what do we mean by this? What we are saying is that Facebook as a tool can be used without attaching anything to it. You are literally only going to use your Facebook page to start promoting your business, start generating leads, and people will start signing up, because there is a form, there is a default form set up for you on Facebook, and people will sign up because they too are on Facebook. You can just get this data instantly, and you can download the data and then start using the data as you see fit in order to build your business. So look at this. For us to generate leads on our Facebook page, the strategy or the requirement is that we come to this campaign, we click on create campaign, and under our objective we are going to select this leads. Leads is what we just need to select. Every other form or every other objective here will not get you that form on Facebook. It's only when you select this lead that you are going to see instant form. There is no instant form in any other. Let me confirm what I'm saying. There is no instant form in any other objective here. The only objective that you will see instant form is the objective where people is when you select this lead and that is where you see instant form. You can see now the beauty of it is that Facebook already have the data. The data of the user that will fill your form is already on Facebook. So when people fill this form, instant form, you receive the form, the entry, because Facebook already have the data. So what they will just need to do is just to click the submit button. So it makes it more easier and cheaper to generate leads. If they don't need to fill anything, they don't need to type any data, they will just submit the button, just click the submit button, and they have their data sent over to you. And that is if you are selecting this, if you are generating leads via the Facebook page. And that is where you just need to now give the campaign a name, campaign a name, add set a name, add a name. The campaign may be leads generated via Facebook page. So that is it. That is the title I just want to give this tutorial, because we are going to delete this. We are not setting up this campaign. Okay, so I'm just going to walk you through the reason why we give this title and this name to the campaign, to the ad set, and to the ad is because we want to be able to refer back to it, and we'll be able to know the campaign and the ad set that perform X amount of results. Look at what we select. Our leads is our objective, and this is what we are going for, and that is why we've selected this objective, and we've given the title, everything we've given. So we just click continue, and we select manual lead campaign. Why do we need to select this? This tailor lead campaign is where Facebook does help you set up some functionality or some features. There is no time for you will be given a sort of simplified version of your ad creative or your campaign creative, just simplified version. So we really want to have a robust elaborate features of what we are doing here, and that is why our manual is actually selected, and we'll click continue. Now once you click continue, immediately it sets up this campaign, and you'll see the draft as we have it here now. One more time, this is the campaign level, this is the ad set level, this is the ad. Now on this campaign level, we have given it a name, and that's why it is checked. Now we have not selected any special category because we are not doing anything we are not running credit, employment, housing, social issue, politics, election. We are not doing that. Of course, if this campaign is for politician, we have to go and set a function. We have to go and set a form that would make us eligible to making this declaration that our campaign is for political purposes. We have all the documentation to do this. We are not encouraging anything against another party. We have maintained the condition for this ad campaign, and that will be a way to go. But what we are doing, we are not doing that, so we don't need to select any category here. Now under this campaign, we have campaign details. Of course, the type is always going to be an auction. What do they mean by auction? People are competing. The best of that time. If you go to Facebook, you will see that quite a number of people are within a very short time. Even if you come to Facebook, let me see if we can use